How to join the YouTube volunteers Visionaries community. Visionaries community. Let's go and see and watch this video. Please subscribe to the channel and dislike to reach Google and YouTube search engine. Welcome to YouTube Visionaries. You are invited to take part in an exclusive project called YouTube Visionaries, an elite project made up for creators of today and tomorrow. This project is a unique opportunity to share your feedback and your experiences as a creator to help us gain an in-depth understanding of what life is like as a creator on YouTube. Become one of our YouTube visionaries and make your voice heard to senior members of the company. You have a real chance to make a tangible difference, and you might even see your stamp on some of the things that YouTube do further down the line. So you have to enter your email here and confirm the email and sign up. Just this what you need to do, and read this. If you are interested, please answer the following questions. It should only take about 2 till 3 minutes to complete. For this specific project, we are looking for people who match certain criteria. This means you could be screened out after some questions. Thank you for understanding. We respect your privacy, so your information will be kept confidential and will never be shared with any third party. For more information, please read our privacy. And so you have to enter your email here. You can copy and then here and then set up. Here is the questionnaire or the survey you need. To begin, we have got a few questions to get to know you. How old are you? So you will complete this and process this. Okay, thanks for watching the video.